So when I'm at like 4 to 5k RPM, and if I'm in second gear, I can't shift down. So I gotta figure that out. And now you're asking, hey Saiyan, why the hell are you on this goddamn road? Homie, why are you on this goddamn road? Is there some memorable, symbolic reason you are on this goddamn road during this test ride? Yes, yes there is. Yes there is. Because this area right here is where last time we were riding here on this bike with a quick shifter auto blipper, our bike broke down on this very goddamn road, and I was pulled over here making calls like 2 years ago. I was calling them hoes and asking them what's wrong with my bike, and I still ride it home, and I could. So then I turned to Yui. I spit a loogie on the first guy because he didn't wave to me. Second guy did, so he can get a little thumb action in his pickle. I'll tickle his pickle. Nah, but seriously, yeah. So enough clowning around. Seriously, we was on this road. I didn't even come this far. My quick shift auto blipper, my engine coil failed. Again, a full moto vlog regarding that. To come. All right, to come. But today, we ain't doing that today. All right, we're gonna make a Yui, and we're gonna hit them. Mother effing streets. But you guys don't get it, man. You guys don't get it. You just don't get it. Like I said, these fingers have done magical things to magical people. Alright, if these fingers could talk, they would tell you things that your ears should never even listen to or hear. But they've done things that you wish you could, but you never will. Or maybe you have, or maybe you will. I don't know. I say things to say things. I say things to fill the pauses in. That dude is tan like a mother effer. But I say things to just say things because I am afraid to be left alone with my own thoughts. There you go. I said it. A little therapy at you. Again, no front camera. I was going to say a little therapy at you, and I was going to slap the camera, aka slapping you guys in the face. But no front camera. So that ain't happening. But we're doing good. Auto blipper quick shifter is on this thing, man. Auto blipper quick shifter is on this thing, man. We got a gear shifter on this thing, man. I should pay attention to the road because that could have been a huge rock that I was hitting. It could have been. Could have been, would have been, never should have been. But what would happen if it would have been?
Oh yeah, puppy, give it to me. Yeah, man. Oh.
I don't know why I say that. Why would I say poppy man, you know? Poppy enough is fine, man. And we're back on the training grounds because I just cannot help it, man. This is... Oh man, it smells funky, and I'm gonna say it's that old dude. Oh my god, funkifying this entire airspace right now. Oh my god, that dude funkified the entire airspace near him. It's not Bengay, man. If it was Bengay, I'd be sniffing it up like anything, but that ain't Bengay, homie. That is some like herbal homemade remedy that don't even work, but the homie swears by it. And she is loud. I can't hear anything. She is loud. And look at these plush green things. What are these called? Mountains, hills?
I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me the right way.
Doesn't she do that as part of the song?
You gotta rub me the right way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm just happy, man. I'm just happy. 3 days working on this all, but we're not gonna talk about all that. That's for later. Right now, we're just enjoying the ride. Enjoying the fact that if I'm going like this and I let off the goddamn throttle and I push down on my shifter, that it does magical things, man. That it does magical things. Seeing that 3 go to 2, it makes me feel a type of way, man. A type of way that I haven't felt in a long time with Kakarot before, man. I was gonna make a build episode, but in my mind, all I was saying was that we've done this. I've shown you guys the parts. And well, I just want to work on this, put on some music, take off the clothes, and just really get one-on-one with the bike. Open her up, ignition coil, AIS, APS, TPS. Man, I could throw so much geniusness at you guys that you guys thought I would never even be able to think or even say these things to you. You guys keep thinking that Saiyan's an idiot. He don't know nothing. But man, times are changing. Alright, my immaturity is probably decreasing. But I'm reading things, I'm learning things, I'm watching things, I'm saying things that you guys would never even believe that a guy like me could say, like TPS, throttle position sensor, or throttle pressure sensor. I don't know which one is it, but I'm pretty sure it's throttle position sensor, APS, acceleration, I'm not gonna say it. I'm building character, man. We're building character.
Oh yeah, I got it right through that. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good. Oh yeah.
I never understand, why is there like these types of bags on the roads? Never mind construction. Figured it out. You see how quick my brain does it? Like that.
El Dorado. Man, I'm feeling good. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa bien? Huh? ¿Qué pasa bien y tú? Huh? I've been watching some shows that I have to read subtitles for. And well, now I'm throwing that stuff at you guys.
¿Qué mierda, huh? Maricón.
See? I know stuff. Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eyes, homie. I can't see. Hate in my heart, homie. They granted me a plea. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's what's playing in my ears. Yeah, it's Pop Smoke singing the. So it's still pretty rigid, like the gear thingy. I gotta figure that out. So with this Translogic system, you can kind of like change everything, how sensitive you want it. So when you push down to shift, downshift, or you push up, I have standard shifting patterns. So if I press down on the shifter lever, then it downshift. If I push up, pull, then it shifts the bike up in gear. I can change. So whenever I push it right now, it's kind of rigid, and I don't like that. So I can change how sensitive it is to how I touch it and how quickly it does it. So we got to figure that part out. Second thing is that when I'm like in 5,000, 4,000 RPM and I'm in second gear, and I try to shift from second to first, it won't go. If I shift from third to second, it won't go. I gotta figure that part out too. So it's not perfect, all right? It ain't perfect, but homie, we get in there. All right, we get in there. The first thing was to open this bike up and actually install the hoe, man. And we did it. We installed it. I'm feeling good, man. You were looking at these fingers doing crazy things, making sex tapes, man. Supercars, hypercars, super bikes, sport bikes, hyper bikes, you name it. We've done it all. Ain't nobody done more than we have, man. Ain't nobody done more than we have. But now you guys can say that, you know what, saying his beautiful fingers, these long fingers, a little chunky right now because the weight, you know, weight's a little bit up. But these chunky fingers, not only for the pleasures of life, can now do stuff mechanically.
Oh yeah?
How many guess? Olina, you got a rider holding up 4 cars than me right now. Now ain't that a hoe, huh? Ain't that a hoe, man? But no, I don't want to push it too much because there's still a lot of stuff that I want to both wave. I'll kiss you guys both on the lips, man. All of them. But I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, man. Kakarot, aka Megan, not Megan, man. I made a video about that. Megan, with the life choices she's making, I can in my heart, with good conscience, thank you for leaving, you fat slut. With your fat, no, he's riding alone. Fat slut. I can't in good conscience name this hoe after Megan Fox anymore. Megan Fox has, you know, she's done stuff to disappoint me. We gotta find a new hoe, new chick, new girl, new female. There you go, got it. 5th try, but got it.
Oh yeah?
Oh, I thought they were both, you know, firing their bodily fluids into the forest together, but no, they were just standing in that direction. Homie, I can take you out right now, homie. I'm playing. Yeah, I'll always be here when they're doing construction. Yeah, just feed all that dust and grime into my mouth. Just spit in my mouth. Why don't you just do that instead? Pull over and just spit in my mouth. Why are they always doing construction here? The roads are fine, man. I thought he had a dress, but on his a cape, but on his helmet, and he does. I was about to say, don't measure my speed, homie. We going below. See, he didn't blink because we're going below. Law-abiding citizen, my homie. Oh, yeah. But I know a lot of you guys, man. I know a lot of you guys are like, nah, saying he lying, man. He didn't even make a video about him working on the bike, going inside Kakarot and doing all sorts of Gucci things. And he didn't make a video. Homie's lying to us, man. That homie that homie belongs on a pole dancing it up and down. He ain't no mechanic. He can't do stuff that we can. I know what you guys are thinking, but no, man. Trust me, when I make a motor vlog and I explain to you guys step by step the things that I've done, the things that I've seen, the cuts that I have on my fingers, the blood, literal blood of my hands, of my body is inside Kakarot right now as we speak, because I refuse to clean it. I refuse to clean it, because that's evidence of the stuff that I've done to this bike. My bodily stuff is inside this bike. How many of you guys can say that your bodily stuff is inside your own bike? You can't. Alright? Homie, you can't. Hater. He's a hater, I can tell. I can feel him, man. He's gonna go home and watch this video. He's gonna comment on that video and say, man, homie, picture it didn't happen. Picture it didn't happen. But no, it did. She is screaming. And I know what you guys are thinking. Saying you douchebag. You're in second. No beef, Sherlock. It's gonna scream. But I love that power delivery. I love that loudness. I love the moans. Because right now she's feeling the same. She's feeling the same love that I'm feeling right now, man. We're one. Homie, we're one. But is you one with me right now? Is the question. Vámonos! Senor, vámonos! Why are you braking? It's a red light, that's why you're braking. I mean, I could tell that chick be into some funky stuff. I could just tell by looking at her, she a foot licker and wants to get her feet sucked. I could just tell, man. I could just tell, man. See? Kinda, you know, like high RPMs, first gear, kinda rough. Kinda rough. But it's okay. She needs to be tweaked. You know, tweaked. Like an Arrested Development, she needs to be tweaked. And then she'll be throwing up all them good stuff. All them nice things, man. I'm so happy. This guy is really break checking the life of me and then just robbing me of my enthusiasm, Dementor style. Hashtag Harry Potter. Homie, learn how to mother effing drive, man. Homie, you look suspicious, homie. Let me get a look at you, not the chick. You look suspicious, man. See, I can't shift down. So I gotta figure that out. Like, why can't I shift? Why not I'm in second, but I can't shift to first? It just won't let me. So I gotta figure that out. But why is it acting no fool? Which isn't a bad. I can take off a second gear. Your boy can do all sorts of things, man. Your boy can do all sorts of things. But it is one of those things that why do I have to? So I gotta figure that out. I don't know why that's happening, and I have honestly no idea or no clue even where to start or begin to troubleshoot why I can't shift down right now if I'm pulled in. Clutch isn't engaged. As you guys can tell, clutch is not engaged. Like, it was engaged right there when the bike kind of lurched forward. If you're in a higher gear, all you have to do is give it more I think I figured it out. I gotta adjust the shift rod. Alright, so again, genius! I just gotta adjust the shift rod and we're all good. We're all Gucci. So again, like I told you guys, this is more of a test ride. I don't even want to come this far, but sometimes when you're riding and you feeling it, man, and you feeling it, and sometimes you just don't want to go back, man. I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself, man. You know, that's what it is. That's what it is. I'm proud of myself right now, man. I'm just proud of myself, man. I'm feeling the type of way. It is a gorgeous day outside. There's a playground right there, and I don't see. Oh, I got my attention. I'm on Keka right now, so things like that will get my attention. She's a baby, man. She's a 600 cc's, man. She's a baby. So for stuff like that, you know, she gets excited. She gets excited.
Oh, who's a baby boy? I'm a baby boy. Who's a baby boy? I'm a baby boy.
Dude, I want to play tennis so bad right now. One thing I will say, if you are not watching women's tennis, something's wrong with you guys, man. Men's tennis, it just doesn't have it. I'm not even talking about a whole, like, you know, male female kind of thing, but just like, if you guys don't watch women's tennis, man, they go hard in the paint, homie. They go hard in the paint. The amount of fun they have watching men's tennis, it ain't the same, man. Women's tennis, them hoes have heart, man. Them hoes have heart when they play. The energy, man, the energy is so different. You can't even find me on that, man. I'm gonna go fist to fist with you guys on that. I'm gonna go fist to fist with you guys on that. My brakes on this hole are really bad. I gotta bleed this whole system, because her brakes is not good. Oh yeah, feeling good, man. We are feeling good. Watch, when I leave, I'm gonna go right through that puddle. Even though I don't want to, I'm gonna go right through that puddle, man. I'm gonna go right through that goddamn puddle. But anyways, guys, this is Riding Insane. I really want to thank you guys so much for believing in me, for watching me, and my crazy enthusiasm and love that I share for myself, man. If you don't love yourself like crazy, then what are you doing with your life, man? How are you gonna love anyone else if you can't even love yourself the way that I love myself, right? But we got stuff happening over there. We got stuff happening right there. The shifter stuff is happening right there. I'm gonna share all that with you guys once I actually, you know, make a motovlog about all this. Right now, mostly all of this stuff is just me sharing it with you guys. Oh my god, I saw something I shouldn't have seen. At the moment, I just wanted to come out for a test ride and actually share that test ride with you guys, because I think it's pretty awesome, the stuff that we've accomplished. And actually, when I have full riding gear, and I think that will make the ride a lot better. Yeah, we got the quick shifter right there. So yeah, I'll go over everything, show it to you guys. I'm just really happy. You know, I've wanted this for a very long time and put in the work, and well, it happened. It worked. It finally happened. And who knew it was gonna be me who was gonna do it, you know? My voice is chopped right now. Alright, just chopped cheese right now, my voice. But yeah, I'm really happy. This might be an easy thing for a lot of you guys to do, work on your bike, install quick shifters, auto blippers, things that are basically plug and play. But for me, in my past, you guys have seen my videos, everything usually goes wrong, and I hate giving my bike to somebody else to work on. It just feels wrong, man. And I'm gonna go over that part too, because I want you guys to be aware of stuff that when you give your bike to other people, don't just trust them that they'll do everything right. Just never do that. Anyway, this is Riding Insane. I'm gonna chill for a bit, all right, drink some water, I'm listening to some music, take a stretch, and then we're gonna head back, because again, like I said, this is a test ride and I just wanted to check her out. I just wanted to see if everything's running, everything's going well. And right now, all the boxes checked except for the shift rod, which I gotta tweak, and just some adjustments I gotta make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. We got a puppers right there, but yeah, subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Peace.